Learn how to customize the Start menu in Windows 11. In this video, I will show you how can you easily customize the Start menu in Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to go to Settings and under Personalization, you can see the option of Start. When you scroll below, you can see the Start. When you click on it, you will get numerous options using which you can customize the Start menu. Now here, you can see the option of Show Recently Added App, which is enabled. That means you can see the option of the application which is recently running in your laptop or PC. And then we have option of Show Recommended for tips and shortcuts, Show Recently Open items in Start. So these all features are the default feature of Windows which help us for better interface. But the feature of Show Most Reused App is not enabled. If you want to enable it, just turn it on. Now we have the feature of shortcut. That means when we click on folder, if you want to include any icon of folder such as document, file explorer or settings beside our start menu, we can just enable it. Here I will enable the setting and file explorer or say picture beside my start folder. Now when you open your start menu, you can see the icon of these two applications. And that is it. That is how you can easily customize the start menu in your PC or laptop. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.